What the hell is going on back here? Well, folks, back at it today. We got a bunch of stuff going on yesterday. Filters are on. Drain plugs back in. Oh, you just welded a nut on, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. That'll work for now. So we've already flushed the 46 through.
This?
Yeah, 68 or whatever.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we should have left the old filters on.
Yeah.
Because now these filters are fucked.
Hindsight.
I mean, it's like a shit ton of money in filters.
Yeah.
Whatever. What's that leak from?
What's one leak from? Oh. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. All right. Good.
If you know.
All right. Let's get this thing moving. Then we'll get the real oil in, and then get it back on the trailer and get it out to work. That's some grade fucking Z. That's not even F. That's grade Z hydraulic oil right there.
All the way.
That won't even burn. All right, guys, it's actually really dark outside still, so I wanted to start the video in here so you didn't think that the camera's broken. But let's go. One of the tree trucks rolling out. Bobby with the stump grinding truck, making YouTube videos.
What's the YouTube video about this time?
Mulching and putting these wheel balancers on my truck. All right, let's get this shop open. Ding dong. Look at that. FL tree jobs. Y'all know where to apply. All right, so I have not opened this box yet. I'm excited for it. Let's see. Ooh, they're all back there still. All right. So when I bought the 450, I was told to get new tires by the dealer. They didn't. And then they basically called me a liar for not about me telling them, hey, you said new tires. So they tried to balance them 3 times. Oh, these are slick. Even on the work order from the dealer, the tech said the tires will not index recommend replacement. Right? The tires are that bad. They won't replace them. So I'm going to be moving up to 22.5. But in the meantime, these are supposed to fix the balancing issue. They're not pizza plates.
There's no certain job I need to go to just without, right?
Yeah, dude, you're just on the crew today. Uh-oh. Knuckle boom's going out today. Woo-hoo. It's really hard to see everything. There we go. Look at her. Just purring. I can't get the center cover off. I don't really know how. But we're gonna keep hitting it with a hammer until something breaks or it comes off, because we're getting this tire off. She's wiggling.
Yeah, look like you're moving.
Let's get one on this lug nut. That's literally stupid.
Yeah. You should be able to just pull this thing out.
Oh well, let's get this thing off now. Folks. Oh wait. Maybe like that? Guys, these things are amazing. Literally. Here, look at them. See that? Right there? That little beautiful ring. Whew. This truck has never ridden better. Looks like I get to pick which gooseneck I want to run today. Do I want to run my gooseneck, or do I want to run the little guy? I'll take mine. That's my favorite part right here. Oh damn! That ain't gonna. Oh, it is going down. But I still gotta get out because I got a tonneau cover. All right, so this is literally the first time that I've pulled a gooseneck with the 450. So I'm super excited about this. Where are we going? Oh, we're just going to Port Orange to grab the 299. Probably should bring some chains because I keep getting taken off this trailer. Man, what a Friday. I tell you what's wrong. It ain't got no gas. 450's gearing up. We're gonna working with this weekend. I was gonna take this trailer, not anymore, because this is the shorter gooseneck, and where I'm taking this thing and that thing tomorrow. The short trailer would have been nice. So that's the second shortest trailer. But I ain't unloading it because I don't care. So I'm either gonna take the deck over, which I might, or the my gooseneck, which is just a little too big for these roads in the woods that I'll be driving. So 299 once again threw a track today on a job site. I have no idea why this thing likes to throw tracks. It might be all of the gumbo that's crammed in every orifice of this machine's undercarriage slash quick attach, literally. So but what I'm doing now, just tonight, because it is almost 5, I'm gonna start grinding, well, finish grinding these knives and sharpen them up, because I have not put the self-sharpening knives on yet, which I don't need to hear it. I don't need to hear it. I understand it saves time, it's a much better cut, blah, blah, blah. I ain't wasting good knives, so these knives are just gonna have to get used up before we put the self-sharpening knives on. The groovy teeth, as they call it. So, time lapse. Take it. Take it. Yeah.